I believe that all anyone wants in this life is to sit in peace and eat a sandwich. First things first. All right, let's make a sandwich that would make Liz Lemon proud, especially on Sandwich Day.
Ooh, Sandwich Day.
What's that? You've never heard of Sandwich Day? Why, it's the most wonderful day of all.
Now this is a breakfast sandwich, but breakfast is great any time of the day, and so is this sandwich. So let's prep up some of the ingredients, grab some spinach, give a wash and trim the ends if needed, and then finally chop it up as fine as you can and just set that aside. Next up, coarsely grate some Asiago cheese. I went with a milder Asiago here. This was aged about 6 months because I wanted it to pair better with the sandwich and the pancetta, which will be salty enough when cooked down. And a longer aged Asiago is so good, but when melted could also have a saltier taste. So I just wanted to balance those levels. Now, if you need a bit of a kick in the ass in the morning to wake up, then add some BOMBA mayo. Go with any ratio of BOMBA sauce to mayonnaise and give a mix. Now, if you don't know, we love our BOMBA sauce on this channel, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description below explaining what it is and with a recipe. And I've also seen that you can buy BOMBA sauce on Amazon now. Let's saute some spinach in a pan on medium to high heat. Add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, the spinach, and season with salt and freshly cracked pepper. Give a mix and cook the spinach down, and once the spinach is cooked, remove and set aside. Now let's cook up some pancetta. I have thinly sliced pancetta slices here, and we're gonna make it nice and crispy. In a dry pan on low to medium heat, add your pancetta in and cook until lightly browned and crispy. Give a couple flips along the way, and this is where it can be a little bit tricky because you want to get it nice, brown and crispy, but you don't wanna overcook it because it can crisp up and crumble on you. So you're just gonna have to time it right. You wanna take it out when the pancetta starts to get lightly browned and starts to crisp up along the edges. Now you're gonna have some rendered pancetta fat left in the pan, and here's a choice for you. You can either toast your bread in it or cook your eggs in it. Either way, it's gonna add way more flavor. And if you want, you can also just remove the rendered fat and use butter or oil. I like to toast the bread in the rendered fat and soak it all up. Now we're gonna cook your eggs however you like. I like a runny yolk, so sunny side up or over easy for me. Add some butter to the pan and fry up your eggs, season with salt and freshly cracked pepper. Now, a little trick if going sunny side up is add a splash of water to the pan and cover with a lid for about 30 seconds. And the steam is gonna help cook the egg whites surrounding the yolk. To assemble, add your pancetta to the bottom half of the bun, top with some spinach and cheese. And now we're just gonna place under the broiler so that the cheese can melt. And then once done, you can top with your egg, add a nice dollop of BOMBA mayo on that top half bun, and bring that beautiful sandwich to the table. So you know I love sandwiches, and I love a good breakfast sandwich. Love this one, the salty pancetta with the spinach, the Asiago cheese, of course the BOMBA mayo, and the nice, rich, runny yolk egg, oh, all on a nice sweet brioche bun. This is something to wake up to. So I hope you give this recipe a go, and as always, the full recipe is in the link in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, ciao.